For this demo, I'm going to cover a logistics and supply chain use case using a pretty elaborate agentic orchestration flow. This agentic workflow employs multiple agents that can intake requests handled by one or more of the following agents in parallel. An agent that can answer to rates inquiry and code creation, planning agent for requests related to delivery, planning, and route optimization, dispatch agent which deals with receiving orders, pickup, dispatch, and delivery, etc. And lastly, order tracking and communications agent which handles initial customer communications or order status inquiry. The scenario I'm going to show specifically is for dispatch and order tracking plus communications received either via real-time SMS or email. Here's a sample email received by the agentic workflow. This is an urgent issue reported for an inventory mismatch during pickup. The email includes the load confirmation document and some details on the delivery, including the location. Now, let's run this. As soon as the email is received, the email is parsed and related documents are downloaded and pushed to storage bucket. Then, the triaging agent classifies the request accordingly, whether it's related to rates, planning, dispatch, or order tracking. As you can see here, it identified that the issue is related to dispatch, but also requires order communication. And so, it went on to parallel paths for dispatch and order tracking. Both these agents would then extract relevant information from the email, including but not limited to order or load number, pickup location, discrepancy details like missing skids or mismatch. Then, the order tracking agent leverages a tool to interact with a TMS database to get more information on the order. This tool is in fact also an agent that can generate and iterate SQL queries, then run it against the TMS database. After verifying from TMS, it would also query related Salesforce opportunity for the order to then send an email communication with a stakeholder on the issue reported. Meanwhile, the dispatch agent is starting its investigation and eventual issue resolution by first querying the TMS database using the same tool or agent leveraged by the order tracking agent. It cross-references the extracted details with the TMS to verify expected shipment details, pickup and carrier details, or any prior notes or alerts associated with the order. It also uses Salesforce tools not only to query the opportunity and account associated with the order, but also logs a Salesforce case indicating the reported issue. It also extracts information gathered from the load confirmation document using the document understanding tool. Now, with all this information gathered from TMS, email, and document, the agent plans for the next set of actions to finally resolve the issue. And then, it communicates with the relevant stakeholders accordingly. In this particular case, it starts with confirming the inventory with the warehouse. The AI agent sends a notification to the warehouse manager to confirm availability of the missing skids and provide update on a specific time frame. The most efficient resolution identified is to do partial pickup and scheduling of the pickup of remaining skids. So it then coordinates with the driver and dispatch team to notify them of the discrepancy and instructs to to proceed with a partial shipment while waiting for warehouse confirmation of the additional delivery schedule. Now it's time to send the final resolution notice to stakeholders. The inclusive gateway will make sure that all the agents have completed run before forwarding to the response consolidation agent. Based on the resolution, the AI agent drafts and sends a final resolution notice to all relevant parties. It then updates the TMS and internal logistics team with all the actions taken. Finally, it updates Salesforce case that was generated by the agent. And that concludes the execution of the logistics dispatch agentic orchestration flow from intake to final resolution.